Today we are going to meet people at a bus stop. Okay, so the topic today is at the bus stop. Okay, you may wonder what is happening at the bus stop. Now, when somebody gets down from the bus, at the bus stop, from the bus stop to go to another place, what would they do? They'll ask for directions, isn't it? So, how do we go to this place? From this bus stop, how do we go to this place? Okay, let's assume a person alights from the bus or gets down from the bus and asks another person at the bus stop the way to go to the supermarket. Let's say Skywalk supermarket or Phoenix. There are so many malls, isn't it? The Phoenix Super Mall at Velachery, they have Vijaya Mall, they have Ampa Mall. Okay, we will just say AB Mall for example. Okay. So, Mr. Govind, he gets down from the bus and he wants to go to the AB Mall. So, he is asking another person, a passerby, for the way to go to this mall. Okay. So, the conversation is between Govind and a passerby. Govind is asking the passerby, "Sir, can you please give me the direction to go to the AB Mall?" This mall we've just named it, okay, the passerby. Well, AB Mall is just a walk away. It is just okay, I can say it is about 5 minutes walk from here. Okay, then immediately Govind says, "Sir, I am new to this place. I shall be really thankful if you guide me to passerby." Don't worry, Just follow my directions. You walk straight. Till you reach the MG Road. Take a right turn. You will see the police station there. Walk past it and on to your left. You will find the AB Mall. Okay, and Govind just says thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, now just let's read it. Govind. Now Govind is getting down from the bus, and at the bus stop this conversation is taking place. Okay. Now Govind is asking a passerby some questions as to how to reach the AB Mall. Govind. Sir, can you please give me the direction to go to the AB Mall? And immediately passerby says, well, AB Mall is just a walk away. It is about 5 minutes walk from here. Okay. For him, he is used to the directions. He's been living in that area, so he says it's just 5 minutes walk from here. But Govind explains to him his inability to go and find the direction because he is new to that place. Sir, I am new to this place. I shall be really thankful if you guide me to AB Mall. Passerby. Don't worry, just follow my directions. You walk straight till you reach the MG Road. Till you reach, I'm sorry, I left the word. Till you reach the MG Road. Take a right turn take a right turn. You will see the police station there. Walk past it and on to your left, you will find the AB Mall. Thank you, sir, Govind says, and he goes. So many people who are new to this to a particular area, they may not know the directions, so they will ask questions to the passers-by, and this is how they guide them at the bus stop to another place. Okay? So practice this dialogue well, and in case you are stuck somewhere, you don't know the direction, you can ask a person like this. Okay? And definitely they will help you. You have to use please and thank you. These are the magical words. So this will help people to help you. This will motivate people to help you. Okay, now we are going to see two people standing at a bus stop. One person is waiting to go to Thiruvanmiyur and the other person is waiting to go to the US consulate. Okay. Now, one who has to go to Thiruvanmiyur knows that he has to take 47D, but the one who has to go to US consulate doesn't know the way at all. So, he is asking that other person which bus he should take to go to the US consulate. He has to attend a visa interview. So, he wants to go to US consulate and he is asking him which bus to go and where it is actually. Okay, shall we see the dialogue now? Okay, this is a conversation between Mohammed and Janaki. Okay, Mohammed and Janaki Ram. Sir, are you waiting for any bus? Waiting for the bus? Yes, sir. I am waiting for I am waiting for 27D. I am waiting for 27 C, 27C to go to the university. I'm waiting for 24C to go to the university. So he says that he is waiting for this bus and he is asking him, which bus are you waiting for? Immediately Mohammed says, I have to go to the US embassy for visa interview. Do you know which bus I should take? Which bus I should take? And Janaki Ram to the US embassy on the Cathedral Road should take take 47D and get down at Gemini. Take a walk straight down that road and you will reach the US consulate at the corner of the road to your left. Mohammed says, "Thank you very much, sir." Okay, now you find two people waiting at the bus stop. One is waiting to go to the Madras University and the other one wants to go to the US Embassy. Now one knows the way but the other doesn't know. So this is a conversation between Mohammed and Janaki Ram. Mohammed is a person who wants to go to the US Embassy because he has to attend a visa interview. And Janaki Raman, he knows the way and he is going to take 24C and he is going to the university. Okay. So Mohammed doesn't know which bus to take also. So Janaki Raman is guiding him. Okay, now let us see the dialogue now. Mohammed and Janaki Raman are standing at the bus stop and Mohammed is asking Janaki Raman, "Sir, are you waiting for the bus?" Janaki Raman, "Yes sir, I am waiting for 27C to go to the university." "Which bus are you waiting for?" Mohammed says, "I have to go to the US Embassy for visa interview." "Do you know which bus I should take?" Because he doesn't know. Janaki Ram says, "Oh, to the US Embassy on the Cathedral Road? You should take 47D and get down at Gemini. Take a walk straight down that road and you will reach the US consulate at the corner of the road to your left." "Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir." And both of them wait for the respective buses. Okay. This is a conversation at a bus stop.